Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Coaching Network. My name is Maria Medina. I am your business and networking coach. And today I am very excited to invite you to my upcoming workshop, the Sales and Networking Blueprint. I'm going to have a guest speaker, Brea Woodson. She's going to be talking all about how your ideal client is important for messaging. So we're going to go all over what it takes to make sales, how to close more sales, how to get your messaging right. And in order to get your messaging right, we need to know exactly who our clients are. So, Bria, why don't you tell us a little bit more about what the ideal client is and who you are?
Thanks, Maria. Yeah, my name is Brea Woodson. I'm with GRT Marketing. And yeah, that's really what my focus is and foundational work that I do with all my clients is figuring out really who they're speaking to. So we get really deep in terms of knowing your ideal client inside and out, who they are, what their fears, frustrations, and goals are. Because once we know that, we can then talk about our messaging and sales in a much, much easier and clear way.